Transworld Airlines 747 is about to take off at New York City Airport. It's 8 a.m. It takes off over New York City. As it's cruising over New York, fuel tank explosion brings down the plane, and the front head falls off. A happy night shift takeoff turns into horror. After sparring 747 without head plunges towards the sea and breaks apart into several pieces. But how did this happen? Well, on that hot evening, let's look inside the plane. Well, inside the plane was very heating and sweaty, and air conditioners were working very hard on that day. Very hard to cool down the passengers, which passengers literally had to put on max. But let's look inside the tank now. If we fast forward, inside the tank, the wires controlling the AC was so overheating and under pressure, the cables broke and the fuel exploded. And the fire was so big it ripped off the head, causing the pilots to, fly out. And now the 747 without a head is spiraling up in the sky and then plunging back down towards the sea. How did this catastrophe happen? Now we know. Even there's one option to do a test flight. Evergreen International 747, they experts the plane, and they soon realized that the temperatures were so hot it was off the chart. And no wonder Transworld Airlines Flight 800 burst into flames right after takeoff. Burst. And so much pressure that its head fell off too. And that explains it, how 12 Flight 800 bursted into flames.